Let's see how to insert table cell border double line in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's say that we want to modify one of the cells of our table to have a double-edged border. And first, let's draw our table. Click on the Insert tab, click on Table, and select your table's dimensions. And right here, we are going to create a 3x3 table. Now let's say that we want to emphasize this particular cell right here in the middle. Now let's go ahead and highlight that cell. Now click on Borders. And here at the bottom, click on Borders and Shading, which will open up a new window where you can edit your table's borders. And right here, you'll see the option to have a double border. And here you can see whether you want to apply it to the cell, to the entire table, to a particular text, or an entire paragraph. Now let's say that we want to apply it only to that cell that we highlighted. Now click on OK. And as you can see, our cell now has a double border around it. And that is how you can create a double border around a table cell in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.